Naval Jelly is stealing $30 from you right now, and it barely even works. Every single day, drivers walk into an auto parts store, grab a bright orange bottle promising instant rust removal, and walk out with a product that mostly just stains the metal a different color, instead of actually destroying the rust underneath it. Meanwhile, sitting in your kitchen cabinet right now is a $1 bottle of white vinegar that dissolves rust completely overnight, and almost nobody knows how to use it correctly. Today you are going to learn the exact overnight protocol that turns $1 of vinegar into results that outperform $30 gels. And if you stick around to the very end, you'll learn the one mistake that ruins this method for almost everyone who tries it and forces them to buy Naval Jelly all over again out of pure frustration. Number 10. Why Naval Jelly is quietly wasting your money. Naval Jelly relies on phosphoric acid to convert rust into a black, paintable coating. And that sounds impressive until you realize it doesn't remove rust at all, it just chemically disguises it. That converted layer is still sitting on your metal, still weaker than clean steel, and still capable of breaking down underneath your paint job within a year or two, leading to bubbling and flaking that forces you right back into another repair. You paid $30 for a product that hides your problem instead of solving it, and that is exactly the kind of costly mistake that turns a small rust spot into a full repaint job, costing hundreds of dollars down the road. Vinegar does something Naval Jelly never will. It actually dissolves the rust and pulls it completely off your metal. Number 9. The chemistry that makes this work overnight. Rust is iron oxide, and iron oxide is unstable the moment it meets an acid strong enough to break it apart. White vinegar contains roughly 5% acetic acid, and that acid pulls the oxygen right out of the rust molecule, releasing the iron as a soluble compound that simply dissolves away into the liquid instead of clinging to your metal. This is the exact reason vinegar actually removes rust while Naval Jelly only paints over it. And once you understand that difference, you will never waste money on an overpriced gel again. Commercial rust converters use a weaker version of the same acid principle vinegar gives you for a fraction of the price. Your kitchen has been holding a professional grade rust remover the entire time you were paying for the fake version at the store. Number 8. The 10-minute prep step almost everyone skips. Vinegar dissolves rust, but it does not dissolve the loose flaking scale sitting on top of heavily rusted metal, and skipping this detail is the single biggest reason people think vinegar failed them. That loose scale acts like a physical shield, soaking up your vinegar's chemical power before it ever reaches the real rust underneath, and it can turn a 12-hour overnight soak into a wasted 24 hours that barely scratches the surface. A quick wire brushing before you ever touch the vinegar cuts your soak time dramatically and produces results that actually match the overnight promise. Skip this step, and you are setting yourself up for the same disappointment Naval Jelly gave you. 10 minutes of brushing is the difference between a real overnight fix and another failed attempt. Number 7. The vinegar you buy actually matters. Standard white distilled vinegar at 5% acid is your baseline, and it works, but grabbing apple cider vinegar or wine vinegar off the shelf by mistake leaves behind a sticky residue that does nothing but create extra cleanup work for you. If you want faster results on heavier rust, industrial cleaning vinegar concentrated between 6 and 10% acid costs barely more and cuts your soak time noticeably. Grabbing the wrong bottle is a tiny $2 mistake, but it can cost you an entire extra day of soaking a part you needed back on your car. Always check the label before you pour, because the wrong vinegar turns your overnight fix into a two-night frustration. Number 6. The container and heat setup that speeds everything up. Never use a metal container, because the acid will attack it and waste its chemical strength on your bucket instead of your rusted part, leaving you with weaker results and a ruined container. Stick to plastic or glass and warm your vinegar to around 120 degrees before you pour it in, because that single move can cut a 24-hour soak down to as little as 4 to 8 hours. Room temperature vinegar still works, but it works at a fraction of the speed, and if you're relying on this to actually be ready by morning, temperature is not optional. This tiny change costs you nothing and turns a sluggish overnight gamble into a fast, reliable result. Number 5. The trick that supercharges your soak for pennies. Stirring in 1 teaspoon of table salt per gallon of vinegar increases the ionic activity in your solution and speeds up the entire rust removal reaction without costing you anything beyond a few grains of salt. Real side-by-side tests on matching rusted bolts have shown salt-enhanced vinegar finishing in roughly 60% of the time plain vinegar needed, turning a 20-hour job into 12 or 13 hours. That is the difference between waking up to a clean part and waking up disappointed that it isn't finished yet. Naval jelly never gives you a way to speed itself up. Vinegar rewards you for knowing this one trick nobody talks about. Number 4. The flash rust disaster that catches everyone off guard. Pull your part out of the vinegar, and within minutes a fresh orange haze can start creeping back across metal that looked perfectly clean seconds ago, because bare exposed metal reacts with air almost instantly. This is the moment where most people panic and assume the whole method failed them right before they give up and go buy Naval jelly out of pure frustration. The fix is a 30-second dunk in a baking soda and water solution immediately after the vinegar soak, which neutralizes the leftover acid and stops that etching reaction before it starts. Skip this step, and you can undo hours of soaking in a matter of minutes. This single 30-second habit is the real reason some drivers get flawless results while others swear the method never works. Number 3. The coating decision that decides if this lasts. Vinegar removes rust, but it does absolutely nothing to stop rust from coming right back if you leave that clean metal exposed. For parts getting painted, a self-etching primer bonds chemically to bare metal far better than anything applied over a Naval jelly coating ever could. For hardware and fasteners, a simple penetrating oil locks out moisture immediately after drying. Skip this step and every hour you spent soaking, brushing, and neutralizing gets wasted the moment humidity rolls back in overnight. This is the step Naval jelly buyers never even think about, because they assume the converted coating is protection enough right up until it starts bubbling under their paint. Number 2. The ingredient that quietly ruins the whole batch. Adding dish soap to your vinegar might feel like it should help, but surfactants actually trap dissolved rust particles right at the metal surface instead of letting them disperse away, which blocks fresh acid from reaching the rust underneath and dramatically slows everything down. This single well-intentioned mistake has ruined countless overnight soaks for people who thought they were being extra thorough. Keep your vinegar completely plain, with nothing but salt added, and it will outwork any gel product sitting on a store shelf. Number 1. The exact overnight protocol that actually works. Wire brush the loose scale. Mix 1 gallon of warmed white vinegar with 1 teaspoon of salt, submerge your part completely, and let it sit for 12 hours. Pull it straight into a baking soda rinse for 30 seconds, rinse with clean water, dry it completely, and apply your protective coating within 15 minutes. Follow this exact sequence, and you will wake up to metal that is actually clean, not just chemically disguised the way Naval jelly leaves it. This $1 method, done correctly, consistently beats products that cost 30 times more. That is the real overnight rust killer sitting in your kitchen the entire time you were paying for Naval jelly at the store. Subscribe now, and drop a comment telling me where you're watching this from, and what part you're planning to soak tonight, because the next video breaks down how to use this exact method on an entire rusted frame without removing a single bolt.